Um, yeah, it's Sunday, and I'm using this medium to wish every father out there happy Father's Day. Y'all just keep doing that at work, keep doing what you're doing, keep showing that love without withstanding. I'm using this video to wish every father out there happy Father's Day. I should be a good father to all the kids out there, and it's Sunday, and just thinking of what to do on one of my brothers, while it did let me know about a show out there and about a show out there on Father's Day, and it's the Dallas Man Cook out there, and just to show that love, we'll be grilling today, and showing some love to all the fathers out there. In between, initially I was thinking about probably like 20 wings or probably 20 drumsticks, but right now, after the meeting yesterday, I just realized only like 50 to 100 drumsticks. It looks like a party, so we're grilling today. We're going to the Dallas Man Cook show, and we're showing some love, guys. Let me see who wants to support me right now. I have to grill 50 to 100 drumsticks. But notwithstanding, I want to thank you all for your love. I want to thank you all for that love you showed towards me and all that good stuff. But notwithstanding, once again, it's Father's Day. We're having a good time. We're going to big time today. One day, I know I'm going to be a father. And my unborn kids see me. They can hear me right now. And once again, happy Father's Day to all the loving, caring dads out there. Once again, I want to say happy Father's Day to my bestie Shishayi, my godson, is showing his love to you, like, hey, Daddy, happy Father's Day. But hey, Shay, Oreo Fresh says happy Father's Day. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all just come with me and just have fun. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome back on here. And like today, it's Father's Day, and do you remember as initially I want to wish every father out there happy Father's Day and thanks for all you do. And as we'll be cooking out today at the City Man Cookout 2023, that for sure you've seen my recipes, and I'll be literally making jollof rice and grilling today, some meat and also some plantain. And making this guy, I did use about 8 habaneros. I wanted a little bit spicy. I'm using my 8 habaneros. I'm using onions. I'm using my green pepper. I'm using my olive oil. I'm using salt, liquid lemon, liquid lime, and all that good stuff. So initially, what I did was wash my chicken, wash it with lime, and right there, one thing is adding garlic to it. I did add garlic in this video, and apart from garlic, also I did use ginger. Also, I'm wanting, apart from that, I also used olive oil. And the most important thing, what I'm trying to do right here is blend those guys together. So there's one point today, and once I'm done blending it, I'm gonna pour it evenly on the chicken. Once I'm done with that, there are just a few things I need to add after pouring that to it. But let's just take our time, and you just come with me. While that's going on, we want to add lime to it, the liquid lime I got. Add a little bit of the liquid lime to the chicken. And once you're done adding that, you want to add the lemon also. Like I said initially, there's this taste I get from it. You guys can try it in any of your videos and let me know what you think. Let me know how it tastes. But there's this taste I derive from or I get whenever I use my lime and lemon for my chicken. Add a spoon of to everyone to your chicken. To me, these days I hardly even measure it anymore because I literally know the quantity I literally need to put into, put it into my or apply my chicken. And next thing you know, just add a pinch of salt to everything. Don't make the salt too much. Add a little bit of salt. And wash your don't add your olive oil also. And that's what I'm doing right there, adding my olive oil to it. Once you're done with that, this is where you want to this is where you want to mix everything together. And we're all actually doing it for marination purpose. For this guy, I did this guy overnight. I did it in the afternoon because I'll be grilling the next day. So literally I was, let me say, close to about did marinate for close to about 10 to 12 hours. It depends on you. Some people do it marinate their chicken or the drums or wherever they want to grill. They marinate for an hour or two, but I prefer my overnight. So right here I'm done, and this is where I put my chicken inside of the fridge overnight. Are we ready? We grilled it out. Yeah, we're outside. Yeah. We literally grilled it close to 70 to 100 drumsticks. And there's a story behind this. I will tell you what happened. No, I do not take. I take my time. In between, I take one kilo, in such a way that at the end of the day, the bones fall off the drumsticks. So you know me, I take my time 100%. I'm not about how many hours do I rest? 2 hours. Even after everything is looking so juicy, and you still want to apply that sauce to your chicken. And in between, I want to say a very, very huge big thank you to Terry Allen for inviting us to this event. To inviting us to the City Man Book 2023. And looking at most of us really don't know much about the event, but when it comes to the City Men Cook event, it's the largest Sunday dinner in Texas, in Dallas. And it's that place where our fathers come, wives being there all the time, and everyone just comes to it. I've been thinking of a few things of okay, how can I bless the community? How can I be a blessing to the community? I also want to thank Wally also for what's up about the show, eating about the event. And when he told me about it, I was just like, okay, this is a good time to let's do something for the community. But it was a blessing that I had for met with folks, and the fact that I could cook for people and just be a blessing to the community it's really literally a lot. But yeah, once again I want to thank Wally, and I want to thank Terry Allen for letting me be a part of this event. Yeah, I'm almost done. Yeah, it's we are almost done. What I'm doing is just into my chicken line, making sure the roll don't inside of the tray. That's where I think I'm almost late for the show because we literally have to get there. I didn't expect it, but it's fine. We can get everything into sauce. Yeah, this is my plantain right there. Plantain is ready. Grilled chicken ready. Jollof rice also ready. Yeah, we're ready for the event, and we are going now. Going for the event, just hot weather out here. We're notwithstanding we can't rush, just taking our time. All of a sudden, we got a table for the show, we got a table for the event, and you can see right there all the things. If you're not subscribed to any of our platforms, guys,
Out here today, go outside.
Senior time. As you know, this is our 23rd year, and for 2 years we went nowhere because of COVID. During that process, we went virtual, but we didn't stop doing what we were doing. We were interacting with each other's lives. We were helping people get their children back, custody of their children. When you call, they do and say what they're going to do without asking. It's good to have some of them back. Brother Gibson's back, and he brought his world-famous son with him. And the food better be good. You know what I'm saying?
Sure look good.
It was good 10 years ago. It better be good now. Right, Thomas?
Over there.
All right. So what we're doing today is
Solid banana pudding. I have not made our rounds around as of yet, but thus far, everything that I tasted, it has been heavenly. It's been so good that I'm like.
Let's give Travis a round of applause. Have y'all tasted those beans yet? Travis is the man. Upspeed, all-natural, electronic barbecue grill that's sitting in Home Depot waiting for you to pick it up because it couldn't fit in my car. That prize goes to TJ Catering. Come on, TJ. Jeff Gales, come on down. You just won the prize. All right, for best recipe title, I should have known. For best recipe title tonight, that prize goes to, and I'm telling you, those beans will work your nerves, okay? It goes to Jesse Jenkins and his nasty beans. Come on down, Mr. Jenkins, you also won a very large, expensive barbecue grill that you're gonna have to go pick up. All right, we got some more prizes to go. Yeah, where's Mr. Jenkins? Okay, here we come. We get them all here. So our next prize goes to, and this guy's a newcomer, although his dad's been around for a while. This is for best decoration and best presents. This prize is a $100 gift certificate to restaurant.com, and that will go to Travis Gibson. Come on, Travis. Woo-hoo. We know that Daddy Gibson did all decorated his wife. We understand. Over there, Travis. Over there. Come on. Get out of here. And our last prize goes to, this prize is called the Longevity Prize. They get a $100 gift certificate to Macy's, of which they carry my favorite cologne for the prize winner. Just want you to know. So this $100 gift card goes to, and I have to tell you, when I went on the radio in 1999 and talked about this event, I walked out to the parking lot, and this person had his food already cooked, talking about where do I go? And he has been here since day one. So this gift card goes to Mr. West Wings himself, Steve Westwood. 22 years with me. It's been around for 22 years. We have mentored kids. We sold product together. So here you are, the 2023 highly recognized chefs of City Men Cook. Give me a hand.
But you're walking on shaking.